Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. The holidays are quickly approaching, and I'm like a lot of people, I get turkeyed out or get tired of turkey, so I decided to make this wonderful brisket, and it's just succulent. You can barbecue this, but this is oven baked. It is absolutely incredible with mixed veggies. Let me walk you through this. So to kick things off here, what I've got here is a 2-pound brisket. And the fat side, I've got about, I'd say about a 1/4 inch of fat, which is what you want. I'm going to season this up with some salt, ground black pepper, and I'm a pepper lover, so I'm going to add quite a bit of this. For that smoky effect, some smoked paprika. You could do this on a smoker too, but it's wintertime here, so I'm just going to do smoked paprika. Some onion powder, and some garlic powder. And I'm going to give this a massage, just so it gets into the meat. I should mention too that some people put some sugar in the broth, but you can if you want. And some people don't, but I'm going to do this on the fatty side too. Now I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan over medium-high heat. Place the brisket in, and we're going to sear this on all sides, I'd say for a few minutes, just until you got a nice sear going on. Now I've got a nice sear going on, I'm just going to set this aside. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add in a chopped onion. And you don't want to clean the pan, you've got all kinds of flavor happening here. And I'm just going to fry this up until it's translucent. Once the onions are translucent, fairly translucent, I'm going to kill the heat and add them to the bottom of my roasting dish. Now you can use a Dutch oven, whatever you've got handy. Add the brisket in, and you want this fat side up. A few baby carrots, and you can add the veggies of your choice. Some leftover potatoes that I have. About a 1.5 cups of beef broth, just for that liquid, and you can use vegetable broth, whatever you have on hand. Cover this up tightly with some aluminum foil. Hasn't even baked and it smells so good. And I'm going to slip this into a 300-degree Fahrenheit, 150 Celsius preheated oven for about 2 hours. Now I should mention I'm only using a 2-pound brisket, so 2.5 hours is fine. If you're using a 4-pound, you got to increase the time to say, 4.5 hours. So it's about 1 hour per pound. After 2.5 hours, I'm going to remove the foil. And the brisket is beautifully done, so I'm going to let this rest for about 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, well the meat is resting. I'm going to go ahead and make the gravy by adding our sauce to a pan. And I'm just going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And this is about a teaspoon or two. Just kind of eyeball it. And some ground black pepper, which I love. And a pinch of salt. So I'm just going to give this a whisk, just to mix everything up, just like I am. And continue to give this a boil. After a boil, I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, diluted in 1.5 tablespoons of water. And again, a whisking we will go. And we're just going to go ahead and stir this until it thickens. Once it's thickened up and it smells absolutely delicious, I'm just going to kill the heat. Okay, now our delightful gravy is done. I'm going to slice into our brisket. And of course you want to go across the grain. Oh, just look at this. Now we're going to put our veggies along the side. The smell's incredible. Pour some of that delicious gravy over the top. And there you have it, guys, our delicious brisket, perfect for any occasion, especially the holidays. So let's go ahead and give this a taste test. This is wonderful, guys. It's tender, moist, juicy. I just love it. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.